Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter in a Vitamix. First, add about 2 cups of roasted peanuts to your Vitamix container. Make sure the lid is securely in place. Begin blending on a low speed, then slowly increase to high. Use the tamper to push the peanuts down towards the blades, ensuring a smooth and consistent blend. This process usually takes about 1 minute. The key to perfect peanut butter is controlling the blending time. For a super smooth and creamy texture, continue blending until it reaches your desired consistency. If you prefer chunky peanut butter, blend until mostly smooth, then add about 1/4 cup of whole peanuts and pulse a few times. This gives it a delightful crunch. You can easily customize your homemade peanut butter with various flavor enhancements. A small pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, really brings out the natural peanut taste. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. You could even add a tablespoon of cocoa powder for a delicious chocolate peanut butter spread. Proper storage is essential to keep your homemade peanut butter fresh. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will typically last for up to 3 weeks. For the best flavor and texture, always start with fresh, high-quality roasted peanuts. Enjoy your delicious, homemade spread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.